Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kia Sang Mau Leto Bau Menteri Kampok Yang Amit Shah Bat Udana Minister Ujyoti Raditya Sindhya Kila Yato Bahagni Kejinglang Jong ke NEC Balai Thung ya ke National High Level Task Forces Kaban khlieh dak Menteri Rangba Jong Kejelah ke subjek berper Kibaya de Bat Tanchate Lamingi Menteri Rangba lo ainuk sakum ke Heritage Task Force Cultural Task Force Sport Task Force Bat Barok kini kil ai kejing petai mentang si bakumno Kejelah kini ke Tanchate Lamingi kini trelang bat kumno kila bani shim kialang ha kino kibenta ha kejaka bakin yai la kejong Menteri Rangba lo ong bakum kini ke rukam perkat kalong kesien ke baningkong ba ke NEC kala pen urlang ya kini ke rukam perkat ke badan la bon senembar shikata kadai tang kenong bai pisah ndre menta kala jam sya kawai pat ke rukam perkat bakan long ru kenong sandur ha ki polisi traikam na kebenta ke North East na kaliang Menteri Rangba lo ong bahadian bala dep aya ke kai point ukwa bani i ban traikam no ha po sisnem bat kini kadai kejing batha kabala petha daw Menteri Kampok yang ke sorkar pdeng bat Menteri ke donor bat khmilanti bakan dan kejing kala bat kandan kejing trelang hapdeng ke jylla ke thanchite lamingi harengkat kitenat ke sorkar pdeng bakini trelang ban poisha ke thung.
Today we had the 73rd plenary session of the Northeast Council, which is chaired by the Honorable Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah ji. And in the session, our Honorable Union Donor Minister was also present. All the governors of all the 8 states of the Northeast and the Honorable Chief Ministers of the 8 states were present today. And all the officials from different states and different central government ministries were also present. During the course of the session, there were different aspects of policies that were discussed. And I'm very pleased to state that the Honorable Union Minister and the Honorable Donor Minister had constituted national high-level task forces headed by different chief ministers on different subjects that were important for the Northeast. For example, agriculture-related task force, tourism-related task force, infrastructure-related task force, sports-related task force. And all of these task forces have given their presentation today, and they have given a report and the way forward in which the entire Northeast and the different states can work together to push the different agendas that are there, and how, rather than working as individual states, they can work as a united team for the entire Northeast. And maybe for the first time we are seeing this kind of a policy direction being taken by the Northeast Council, which is something that many have been speaking for a long time. So we are seeing that thought process today finally actually fructifying. And NEC, from being just a funding agency today, has become into a policy agency, and an agency that's creating different thought processes for the Northeast and the different states in the region. And it was a very productive meeting, and now we look forward to actually seeing the reports being submitted by these high-level task forces being implemented in the next 1 year. And that is a direction that the Honorable Home Minister and Donor Minister has given to each of the chief ministers who heads one respective high-level task force. And we hope that we will see a lot of positive results, as it will be collaboration between the states of the Northeast and a coordination between the central ministries for Government of India, and a mechanism of making sure that they work together to achieve the common goal.